A warm good afternoon to all of you present here. Respected Deputy Registrar Lal Thiangmi Zote, respected course faculty Professor Gurur Govind Raju, local coordinator Gyan Dr. Gyanendra Singh, respected guest Mrs. Padmani Raju, faculty members and dear students. I, Krishnarthi De, on behalf of Department of Electrical and Electronics, NIT Mizoram, would like to welcome all of you to the valedictory ceremony of Gyan course, Science and Engineering of Insulation in Power Systems and Allied Disciplines, that has been scheduled and conducted from 22nd August to 31st August. Gyan, as we know, Global Initiative of Academic Networks, is an initiative taken by MHRD. It gives me immense pleasure to declare that this is the 5th successful Gyan course that has been conducted by different departments of NIT Mizoram. Now to start with, I would like to call upon Mr. Anaga Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor EEE and the co-coordinator of this Gyan course, to present the welcome speech.
Good afternoon, everybody. Honorable Deputy Registrar Ma'am, Ms. Lal Thiangmi Zote, Professor G. Govind Raju, our Honorable Guest Faculty, Dr. K. Gyanendra Singh, Local Coordinator CAN, my dear colleagues and my dear students. Today, as we have assembled 10 days back for the first inauguration of our course, CAN course, in the Department of EEE. Now the 10 days has passed just like we end in a very, very quick time. Now the biggest thing is that whether today is the end or whether it's the new beginning. I believe this is the new beginning for the new dimension for all who have been a part of this course. As Professor G. Govind Raju, the topic was dielectrics and insulation. That was the main topic. But I feel dielectrics and insulation is something which is not present when it comes to shared of knowledge. That means the barrier, the insulation need to be broken. Yesterday I was having a chat with Professor Raju, and he has promised anybody in our institute with any problems or anyone can interact with him over email, and he will always be ready to communicate and help whatever comes in his mind. Even he has promised that he can take help of all the facilities and colleagues who are over there, so that we, the entire fraternity of NIT Mizoram, will be beneficial for our future purpose. Last but not the least, I must say something about Professor G. Raju. Over the 10 days, I have been watching him. People of his age are mostly retired and leading a leisure life. But he still today is working actively, standing and delivering the lectures, and working actively in his research field, writing books and doing everything. I must say that this is something which we must inculcate in all of us, the energy, the vibrant, even at this age, in our young generation, so that we can bring a proper prosperity to both our country, our nation, and our institute, and of course for ourselves. Thank you.